Hytech Didactic Integrated Robotic Cell with Dual Robots is equipped with two 7-axis robots. This cell provides hands-on experience to user on industrial integrated robotics applications. User is expected to program both robots in such a way that they work in collaboration with each other to carry out industrial processes such as deburring, polishing and engraving. 4 different stations are provided to carry out various processes including storage, retrieval as well as vision inspection. User is exposed to various industrial processes such as robot frame and TCP integration for effective operations. 7th axis of a robot is a linear gantry axis which is controlled form robot teach pendant as an interpolated axis. Gantry provided in this cell is an industrial gantry with linear motion guideways, rack, pinion and planetary gearbox. The industrial robotic process includes pickup of the job from storage by a robot and detecting its shape through vision inspection. Depending on the input received from vision system, first robot carries out the deburring application and second robot can carry out the polishing application. Depending on user requirement, second robot can carry out engraving application. Both robots can work collaboratively to reverse the job. With this state-of-the-art robotic cell, users are exposed to latest integrated robotic programming by integrating 2 robots, PLC, HMI, and SCADA. Users can also utilize various offline programming software such as Siemens Technomatics to carry out complex robotic programming and avoid collision.